well, I have one friend, she doesn't want to be on camera. We about to go in here for Korean hot dogs. So I want to I wonder if I can record here.
For me, my favorite is potato mozzarella.
Potato dog? Potato mozzarella, she said.
Oh, I love mozzarella cheese rather than the sausage. So that's why, but many people get a potato one. Yeah, if you love sausage, then like sausage is good. If you love cheese, then like full mozzarella is really good.
I think I want to try the cheddar in the dog. What's the premium? Just
the premium is
beef.
It has a beef. It is a beef sausage, so it's like it's a little more thick.
And which this is like pork or a mix?
And except the premium dog, they are all like
Pork.
yeah.
Is it?
So I end up ordering the potato dog, a premium dog, and a mozzarella dog.
These two, right?
These two, you can just leave those plain.
You want sugar on it?
Yeah, because a lot of people put sugar
I
on it.
really recommend put the sauces.
Okay, which sauce do you recommend?
So
Okay.
if there is a recommendation, but my favorite one is this one, and this one, and either ketchup or chili.
Okay.
So 3 sauces.
It's about a food.
Do you have some things to put in like containers?
Oh, sorry, we don't.
Okay. I figured I did. So, y'all wanna, I got the potato, the mozzarella, and the regular hot dog.
I've got the mozzarella with the sausage and the potato with the sausage in it, right?
I think it's potato with mozzarella.
Oh, potato with
You don't have no
mozzarella.
meat in it?
No, I do have meat in it too.
Oh, it does?
I didn't get that other one. I got the one that had the potato, sausage, and meat.
Okay, and then London, you got the same thing, right? You got. Okay, so let's try the potato one first, since we all got potato. Oh shit!
I gotta dip my sauce, y'all, because I put it on this side. What do y'all think?
Nothing but cheese in it.
I ordered the right one then. Is it really good?
I thought I ordered cheese one too.
I thought the potato one came with cheese and the. Okay, whatever.
That's nice. This one. I mean, this is, yeah, I taste it.
I like the batter.
Oh shit.
Bree, are you okay that this is the mixed one?
Huh?
You know that, right?
What?
The meat?
Yeah. I'm really a little bit of it.
Nobody got sugar on theirs but mine. So let's
London did as well,
God
though.
damn, that's a little Parmesan and sprinkle. I don't know if I was feeling that.
I don't know about no sugar.
So this is the cheese and sugar. A lot of the Korean people will be getting the sugar.
Not on my phone at all.
I do want to try it.
I like it.
You want to try with sugar on it?
I like this.
What did you get?
This is the regular
same
cheese with the
thing,
sugar.
right. Okay, let's taste
What's
it.
the premium?
You got the regular one?
Yes.
Oh, I got the premium. I think you got mine. Seriously, I saw her. She is stupid. I saw her that I wanted the premium
How
one.
you gonna blame me?
Because I think you got mine. But this is good though.
I want to get cheese on cheese. Too much cheese.
This is like a funnel cake with like sugar on it.
Is that what yours tastes like?
And
Funnel cake?
cheese in it. So it's
Mine
really
does. Yours
good.
tastes like funnel cake.
Cause I got sugar.
Mine's like a bomb ass corn dog.
Yeah.
Mine tastes like a bomb ass oversized mozzarella stick.
Okay, this is the premium. I got ketchup and a little bit of sweet chili at the top.
Oh, so you're in London.
The premium might be my favorite. It tastes like more of your traditional corn
I'm
dog.
gonna have cheese in it though.
I like it. There's too much cheese. Cheese overwhelming.
Cheese is overwhelming. still kind of. I think the batter is already a little sweet, cause with nothing on it, do your batter taste sweet?
Yeah. The potato one was sweet.
Oh, sweet.
Y'all should try the sugar though. I really like this one.
Can I try yours? I'm really upset.
The premium is good. The quality of meat is better in this one than that one.
I told you that one is that mixed meat.
I don't like that.
It's good. This tastes like a gourmet corn dog.
It does. That's
Like this is banging.
You don't like the one with the sugar? I love it.
Well, maybe for dessert. I ain't gonna just.
This is really good.
They tricked me. Did somebody bite this?
You did.
Retarded like this? Rewind the clip back.
I just said either like fairs or like the amusement park.
I'm not gonna eat all that.
I'm full.
We just want to try them.
Yeah. That was only $3.
Which is not bad for the pricing. I mean,
they
the size.
big. They real big.
That's
So
not
cool.
good quality meat.
No. So if you come here, oh shit.
Make sure you get the premium.
Well, I'm
Make
down.
sure you get premium. Do not get
Yeah.
anything less than.
Because the other one is like a mix of meats. You can tell the quality of it's not that good.
Yeah, versus the premium being all beef.
Oh wait, it is meat in here.
Oh, it was
Wow. Cause I just bit and I was like, wait a minute. Is this a
Y'all playing with
I wanted all mozzarella.
Yes, you get half and half.
I thought it was gonna be center hot dog, cheese, then the breading.
Nah.
Why is somebody stole your corn dog? Oh, John.
I'm sorry.
I'm done.
So I got double dose of the bad meat.
Yeah.
I can learn this shit on the last little crumb.
I have to drop it on the table.
Okay, so you did 5-second rule?
I want some yellow kiwi. That shit was
Okay, out of 1 to 10, what do you give it?
What? Which one?
What do you give it? What was your favorite
The
one?
premium is good. I'm probably gonna eat Breeze. The premium was really good. It tastes like a gourmet hot dog. This one right here, you have to be really specific because they have one with just cheese in it, and then they have one with the non-quality
Meat in it.
hot dog in it. And then London's got the one with the cheddar by itself.
Oh, mozzarella.
I mean mozzarella. I'm sorry.
It's too much cheese.
It's too much cheese in hers.
Too much cheese.
I wanted that one.
Yeah,
I wanted a lot of
wanted
cheese. I want a lot of cheese in this though, but not the potato.
Oh, look at that cheese pool
Imagine that.
though.
This cheese pool is so good.
It's not good.
We ain't come here for good stuff. We came here for a good time.
Good time. I'm here for a good
So what do you give it?
A long time.
I give it a 7. Honestly, truly.
I give it like a 5.
Okay.
Yeah, I wouldn't come back. I wouldn't like order. I wouldn't come back. I'll come back.
It's too far. Maybe it was walking distance or something. From your house.
I probably give it like a 6 or 7 too.
I'll come back solely for the premium, but like I gotta be on this side of town. I'm not
Like if
gonna
I'm
drive.
grocery shopping, like the grocery store a little bomb here.
Yeah.
We already know some items we about to pick up, but I'm definitely trying to get when I go to LA though, because it's like more popular out there.
That's another one that how much different you think we can get with a corn dog?
They're using the same batter.
I like it. I like this one with the sugar. It's like funnel cake.
They do color coded too though.
Oh, they do.
They color coded. We didn't even look, Lenny, because had I known, I would have known that we didn't have the same thing because yours is blue and mine don't have a color on it. Interesting fact.
So cool.
I'm about to go find something else.
They got dumplings. I think I'm about to try that.
I
Okay,
do want to
so
try dumpling.
if you in the area, something that you can eat, but it's nothing like to drive. Like It's like the best corn dog that I've ever had though. But it ain't nothing like, oh my God, we have to go out here. But this grocery store looks popping, so I'm about to do a grocery store haul on Cooking with Friends. So I'll see y'all on there.